fill you all in on what it means to them to be an Eagle. Gavin.
Hi, my name is Gavin Bonstead, and I want to tell you what servant behavior means to me. Number 1, be kind to others and offer help to someone. Number 2, be on task and be a first-time listener. Also do your job neatly. Number 3, treat others the way you want to be treated. Number 4, make sure you stay safe, Eagles. Let's soar.
Please give them a round of applause. Our students, Gavin and Yasmin are in his mom's class in 5th grade and are on student council. Nora is also on student council and she's a 4th grader in Miss Kraft's class.
Hi, my name is Nora, and my experience at Eagle Lake Elementary School has been amazing. I love how everyone is short. Everyone is super nice. I see when people are hurt, other people help them up. Everyone is doing their best every day. All the teachers are so nice. I love going to school and seeing everyone's smile. One of my favorite parts of school is seeing my friends and learning new things every day. With Thanksgiving coming up, I realize how thankful I am for being here and being able to go to this awesome school.